What's up, guys? It's Chase from Chase's Workshop, and in this video we're going to finish the B-Bender. I've actually already got it finished here, but I'm going to go through and just kind of show you. We finished up a few things with the like the strap holder and the tuner and all that in this video. Also, too, I'm probably about 98% done. I still got to do a cover for the back, and I've got to do something right here on the front to hide this awful hole that's right here. But guys, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you like the video, give me a like. If you like it, please subscribe. Also, too, remember to hit that little bell next to my subscribe button if you want to get updates on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, what I'm gonna try to do here now is I'm trying to tune this thing. Hopefully, I've got it working. I've got a little bit of a scratch sound right here. I don't know if it's coming from this saddle on the bridge right here, or if it's coming from this strut down here. So we'll probably get into that too and see maybe what's causing that. I don't know if you can hear it or not. If you have any ideas what it might be too, let me know. But I think it's coming where this string is going over the top of this bridge. Because if I do this, it kind of quietens it. So, anywho, that's one thing I've run into so far. I'm going to tune this thing up, tune it to a B. Hoping you can see that good. Let me get it over here. And then I'm going to tune it up to a C. But first, I'm going to put that threaded rod back in there. I have no idea where I need it at, but I'm just going to push it down in there like so. So I've got a B. If I pull this all the way up and hit it, I've got a C. No, it should be a C sharp, shouldn't it? A whole step's a C sharp. Alright, hold on. Alright, that's a whole step. B to a C sharp. So we got a B. Pull this all the way up. I don't know what the crap happened. Alright, somewhere around there. Let's see how much we have inside of there. Pretty good bit. I thought it would be less than that. I was afraid it was going to be way up here on top of this to actually bend it that far. But I was wrong. I'm thinking too, if you wanted a longer throw, you could drill a hole here and mount this up higher to where it's not getting as much of a throw this way, and you would have a longer throw. But that's pretty, it's pretty long. I mean, that's about normal, I guess. I'm wondering too if that bridge, if that saddle won't just kind of polish myself, maybe, or maybe I should get like a Teflon bridge. I don't know. I don't know what to do on that. I don't know why it's doing that, but I'm gonna try to work on that and see if I can figure out what it is. All right, guys. I ended up, instead of using, this was my idea in the beginning, was to use this thing here and cut a little groove in it to where I could screw it in there. Well, I got to looking, and I've got a 1/4 20 nut with the Phillips head screw on it in there now, and it actually worked out better, I think. So I can tighten that on there, and then I've got the top, and it's not that much longer than the other one. If you wanted to do it to a half step up instead of a whole step, you'd have to use a longer screw, but like I said, this one's pretty close and everything's working good now. So I've got, you know, a B here. When I do that, I've got a B sharp, or a C sharp. Well, alright guys, I've got it strung up. I'm ready to jam on it just a little bit, and I'm just going to give you a warning. I've never played a B-bender before, so apologize now. I have been picking around on it a little bit just to maybe where I could play at least something that sounds like something good. Here we go. So we'll start with a little D. Hear it there? I think it's coming from right there. Ooh, I'm wearing a little spot in that saddle. That'll be something we'll have to change, I guess. I don't know what to do there. Maybe get a different saddle for it or something. I don't know. I'm trying to do this where I can play it sitting down, because I guess I'm a wuss. I don't know. Well, there it is, guys. Like I said, sorry, I don't know how to play one. We might do an update in the near future after I pick around with this thing a little bit, but I just want to make sure it worked first. And my main goal is that I'd like to be able to, when I build my guitars, is actually put one of these in one like this. So, like I said about the PDFs and stuff, I'll probably post those in the next couple of days. I'm just go through them and make sure everything's like it was. So if you want to go in there and you want to try to do your own, you can. If you just want to use the router template for the back or something like that. Now, if I still got to do a few of the little things, I've got to just kind of dress it up a little bit, so I might do an update video on that too. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed this whole series and everything. And if you did, give me a like. If you liked it, please subscribe, and also too hit the little bell next to my subscribe button. That way you can get updates on my channel if you want to. Guys, I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.